Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up troubleshoot adapter overheating at level 2 charging step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your level 2 charging station is properly connected to a dedicated circuit. Check the specifications of your charging adapter to confirm it is compatible with your vehicle's battery and charging system. Inspect the power cable for any signs of wear, damage, or fraying. Make sure the power outlet serving your charging station is functioning correctly by testing it with a standard appliance. Verify that the charging adapter is securely plugged into both the wall outlet and your vehicle. Examine the ventilation around the adapter and the charging station to ensure there are no obstructions. If the adapter is hot to the touch, turn it off and unplug it from the wall outlet. Allow the adapter to cool down completely before inspecting further. Check for any error codes or lights on the adapter that may indicate a specific issue. Refer to the user manual for your charging station for further guidance on troubleshooting specific error codes. If the adapter continues to overheat after following the previous steps, try using a different charging cable, if available. Monitor the charging session closely, reduce the charging speed if possible to minimize heat generation. Consider relocating the charging station to a cooler environment to help with heat dissipation. If the problem persists, contact the manufacturer for technical support or consider a replacement adapter. Document any consistent issues for your reference during discussions with support. Finally, regularly maintain your equipment to prevent future overheating issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.